the flagship for EV programs and the deep end of ASE's 6HX EV task group. Verifying isolation of the high-voltage battery with a live test, testing ground circuit isolation between chassis ground and the high-voltage components, working with special multimeters and insulated tools. This trainer does all of it, disconnecting and reconnecting by different manufacturer methods, charging and discharging curves, inverter and motor signals, with actual high-voltage measurements. 10 complete practical situations, full work orders, and 26 switchable faults. And the unique feature, the diagnostic input mode. Students enter the fault they believe they have found, and the system checks their diagnosis. The trainer gives feedback, not just the teacher. 5-inch touchscreen, multilingual software, 176-page manual, HV accessory set included. If a customer compares us to ConsolLab, we have the comparison ready. Remember, the trainer that checks the student's diagnosis.